So I'm getting this right hand side and I'm twisting it up like that, lay it over the top like that. Then we get the other cord. It's going to go round and we're going to make a carrick bend. So it's going underneath this one here. Just going to pull that middle cord up. And what we're going to do, we're going to go over this cord here, under that one, and over the one on the other side, like that. And then we're just going to pull it through like that until we get to a carrick bend. Now what we're going to do is get this cord here, and it's going to go around. We've got this pretzel shape here. It's going to go around and up through the top piece here. So it's going to go around and up through that hole there, like that. And the other one is going to go around and up through this hole here, like that. Okay, so now we've gone from a pretzel to almost looking like a 4-leaf clover. Okay. Right, now we're going to double it up. So we get this cord here and we're just going to poke it up through that top piece here, like that. The other cord is just going to go and poke up through this bottom one here, like that. So we've gone from a pretzel to...
Here is what I found. Pretzels is generally considered an edible food. Always contact a healthcare professional for specific concerns about allergies or dietary restrictions.
Thank you, Alexa. Right, so we've done that. I don't know if you heard that. That was Alexa going off. Right, so we've gone from a pretzel to a 4-leaf clover, and now it looks like a bit of a rose to me. And now what we're going to do is get this cord here, and it's going over my finger like that, and we're going round this bottom post here and up through the middle of the knot like that. This cord here is going round this piece like that, and then up through the middle of the knot like that. And then we're going to kind of, I'm pulling on these two cords here, rolling the knot up and kind of tightening and moulding the knot in place. And what we end up with is a mess. But this is where we start tightening up, and this is where the fun starts, because what we want to do is just, I normally take this is the top loop here, and I normally take the biggest piece of slack out first, and what we want to do is just follow this cord all the way through, which is easier said than done. Sometimes you have to like almost dissect the knot in order to work out where to go. But basically all I'm doing now is taking the slack out of the knot like that, and that looks a bit better already. And the trick here, what we want to aim for, is we kind of want to make it tighter at the bottom and looser at the top, so it looks like a crown. So that's what we're going to do, and I'm just going to go around a couple of times and tighten everything up. And this is the look that you're trying to get to. So it's tighter at the bottom and larger at the top. It's not very good at the moment, but you can see where we're aiming for. So if you want to make this the end, all you need to do is pull the middle piece down, try and take the slack out, and then you end up with like a rose at the top. So it ends up looking like this. But then what you can do is just you could add a couple of snake knots at the bottom. See? So there you go, that is a king's crown button knot. If you got this far in the video, well done. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what you would like me to have a go at next, and I shall give it a go.